Hello everybody. Albanidis Konstantinos here, and I wanted to show you very fast. I'm gonna create a lot of videos about this amazing platform. Um, that it looks like it's gonna be the winner to all those programs that I have showed uh, about creating videos online and using leveraging AI to create amazing videos. This platform, it's the FlexClip, and to this very short video, I'm gonna show you how easily. You see, I created a short prompt, create a video script following the IDA rule promoting the product or service in the following link. I give just the link of the product, and in fact, it's the same product. Just a moment. So, and I write keep the total characters, number of characters. Okay, it's correcting it here. Under 1100 and over 900. Each sentence should be less than 100 characters so that it looks nice over here. And I just click generate, and the result, it's this
Are
one.
you struggling to create stunning videos easily? Look no further. FlexClip is here to help. With FlexClip, making videos is super simple. Choose from thousands of templates for any occasion. You can customize videos with your own text and images. Add music, transitions.
You see that it's amazing. It's working perfectly, and it produces a very fast and very nice video. You can even change the way the subtitles look. You see that you have a big variety of subtitles here to choose. Let me check.
Mobile device. Share your masterpiece on social media in seconds. Impress your audience with professional quality videos. Perfect for businesses,
You see,
educators, and
it sounds nice. I don't have to change the music, but you can again you can easily change the music from the audio, and you can play with you see with the audio settings here. I can just make the volume of the audio a little bit down, not to be
Share your
over the
masterpiece on
narrator.
social media in seconds. Impress your audience with professional quality videos.
And it looks nice. I'm gonna make it a little bit down because over here, you see,
And images.
the
Add
image.
music,
It's not
transitions,
that.
and special effects easily.
You can move the subtitles easily from here. You can just drag and drop and put it a little bit more up if you want. And
FlexClip works
you
on your
see, it
computer or
looks
mobile device.
amazing
Share
and
your masterpiece on social
so
media
easy to
in
do.
seconds.
And
Impress your
create your
audience with
own video.
professional.
Okay, now the final step, it's always the export. I guess you can see that now. I'm gonna make it like that so that I'm gonna make the window like that. Okay, over here you can see everything. You see. Okay, yeah. Now you can see the export. I'm gonna click export. I'm gonna export to 720p and to 30 FPS. Recommended quality, it's okay. I'm gonna create a video export, and okay, and you can straight upload to your YouTube video to TikTok. You can upload to your Google Drive, or if you want, you can just share your link, or you can even download the video. Okay, when it's ready, you can just download the video to your computer. Okay, I'm not gonna delete the share. Just when it's over, I'm gonna just download the video. I'm gonna leave it. I don't want to keep the video too long, but I just want you to see how fast the rendering is happening. And trust me, I have tested so many video programs and online video programs. That's FlexClip. It's one of or maybe the fastest one that it creates easily my video. Let me show you here. I'm gonna just put it with the date here. Okay, I'm gonna just put it inside here, and I'm gonna upload this video that I created straight to my my account. And at the same time, I'm gonna upload even this video that I'm narrating and showing you the video. I promise I'm gonna create a lot of videos with this tool because it's really amazing, and I'm gonna show you many tricks and many tutorial on how you can use it effectively, easily, and create videos very, very fast. Thank you very much for watching this video. Wish you the best, and I'll see you to the next one. Bye bye.